Hello, students. Good afternoon, everyone. All right. So today is the start of term 2 in our class. All right. How did you spend your few days of break? All right. Let me ask Akira. Where did you go last few days of break? Did you go somewhere or stay at home? Akira? You can unmute so that I can hear you. Okay, where did you go? You stay at home or go somewhere else? Akira? At home? Did you go to the beach or to somewhere? What about the others? Im. What about Im?
Yes.
Did you go somewhere or stay at home?
I go to the beach.
You go to the beach, all right? That's good. That's cool. Okay, so you have time to relax a little bit before the class. What about Pai? Did you go somewhere, Pai? Or just stay at home? Pai? All right. Okay. What about King? Did you go somewhere?
I go to Hua Hin.
All right. Okay. What about the others? You can unmute and say something. Did you go somewhere? Yes, Sheena. Sheena is, yeah. Okay. Oh, so Kim is connecting also. All right. Okay. So anyway, Sheena is new, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so I just saw you. Okay, anyway, welcome, Sheena, to our class today. Okay. So as I have said, since this is the start of term 2, our topic will start with linear equations. All right. Now, if you think of linear equation, that might be easy or difficult depending on how you respond. Now, one tip to that is that you should listen carefully all about linear equations. When you don't understand at the beginning, then it will make you confused and it may cause you trouble in some of the equations to answer some questions. All right. So that is why, if possible, you must focus first and understand the basic of linear equation. Okay, so that during solving it will be easier for you. Okay, now in your own, now let me ask, all right, Chuik, what do you understand by linear equation in your own? Okay, if you have read a book or anything, what is linear equation? Chuik.
Sorry, I don't know.
Okay, I know you know, but you okay, you just don't like to express it. Okay, what about put? What about put? What do you, or anything that you can say about linear equation? It is anything that you can say all about linear equation. All right. Put.
Yes.
Oh, anything that you can say. What is a linear equation for you?
Uh, Align.
Align, all right? That's good. Okay, that can connect. When we talk about linear equations, that would relate to a line. Okay, 1 point. Sheena, can you give me 1 point all about linear equation? Anything? Yes. Anything that you can say that would connect to linear equation?
I don't know.
All right. Okay. So I know you have an idea, but you just a little bit hesitant to share. But anyway, linear equations. So that will be chapter 7 of your book. All right. So if you want to have a guide, when you study, you can open your book to chapter 7. And that is all about linear equation. All right. Okay, so that is page 141 of your book. Now, what is really linear equation? Put was correct when he said line. Okay, the root word for line, a linear equation is line. So it comes or it is derived from a line. Now, in Latin word, it comes from lineares. Lineares. That means many lines. Okay, made up of lines. So linear equation comes from a Latin word lineares, meaning many lines or made up of lines. Because linear equation can be graphed, and in a graph, remember the quadrant, we have the X, we have the Y, all right? Remember that one? This one, the figure or the shape on your screen is an example of a quadrant. You have the X-axis, the Y-axis, you have the negative and the positive X and Y, all right? So that in a linear equation, if it is graph, it will form straight lines. So that is why it is called linear or line equations. Okay, so to be specific, what is really linear equation? Okay, remember that when we talk about equation, there should be equal sign. Again, when we said equation, it is complete. You have the terms, you have the equal sign, and you have also numbers. Okay, so what is the symbol when we talk about linear equation? First is the equality symbol, equal sign. Okay, so that means if it is a linear equation, then you should have the equal sign. For example, x plus 7 equals 2. Okay, so you have their equal sign because linear equation, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, but anyway, we will discuss more of that next meeting. Today, we focus on this equality. All right. And that symbol also means not equal. Okay. So that means we are not dealing. It is not part of our solving when it is not equal. Okay. So I just want to distinguish between equal and not equal signs. Okay. Linear equations shows equality of two quantities. Okay. So that is the very basic definition of linear equation. It shows equality of two quantities. The left quantity and the right quantity. It is said that equality. Therefore, we use equal symbol. So that is why I said x plus 2 equals 7. Left side of the equal sign, and you have right side of the equal sign. Okay? So we will talk more about equality before the specific linear equations. All right. What is then equality? What is then equality? JJ, will you please read the definition of equality? Yes, JJ.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, please read the relationship
The relationship bet
between two
between two
quantities
quantities having the same
having the same value.
value.
All right, so thank you, JJ. So when we talk of equality, it is the relationship between two quantities having the same value. So what does it mean? When we connect that one with linear equation, actually we are comparing two quantities of the same value. All right. Please continue reading to it. The symbol.
The symbol of equality is equal, which is
Okay.
read as equal to.
All right. So the symbol of equality is the equal sign, which is read as equal to. Okay. So when I say 1 week equals 7 days, okay, they are different quantities, but they have the same value because 1 week is equals to 7 days. Okay, so that is one relationship of equality. Although it has different unit, but they are actually having the same value. All right. So please understand equality. Again, it will connect to linear equation. Left side equals right side of the equation. Okay. What if the quantities have the same value? What if the quantities have different value? So from the term itself, different, so therefore it is not equal to. Okay, so the symbol of inequality is the not equal to sign, which is read as not equal to on your screen. Okay, so that is why when we compare, if you are asked to compare two quantities, you may use equal sign or not equal sign. Okay, so that is it all about equality. Left side may be equal or not equal to the right side. Okay, so to illustrate more, what is the relationship of the following pairs of quantities? What is the relationship of the following pairs of quantities? What if we compare two things or two quantities? For example, 1 day blank 24 hours. Okay? Take note, you have two quantities there, 1 day and 24 hours. Now, if you are asked, are they equal or not equal? Let me ask. King. All right, King. 1 day and 24 hours. Compare the two pairs of quantities. Equal or not equal? King?
Yeah.
All right.
Uh,
Is it equal
wait.
or not equal? Yes, King. Again, come again. What is your answer?
Equal.
Equal, right? Okay. So equal means 1 day equals to 24 hours. All right. So that's very basic. We know that one day is equivalent to 24 hours if we convert a day into hours. All right. So they are equal. Okay. Next, Pi, you answer next so that you will not sleep. All right, Pi, 2 meters and 2,000 centimeters. Equal or not equal? Pi? Two meters and 2,000 centimeters. Equal or not equal? Yes, Pi. Pi, I just want to know, equal or not equal? All right, can someone answer? Akira, equal or not equal? 2 meters and 2,000 centimeters. Equal or not equal? Akira? Equal or not? All right. What about, yes, Akira.
Not.
Not equal. All right. Very good. That's correct. Not equal. Now, why is it not equal? Akira, why not equal? Not equal is correct. But why is it not equal? Because 1 meter equals how many centimeters? Akira. 1 meter equals how many centimeters? Yes, Akira.
I don't know.
1 meter equals? All right, let me ask. Okay. Chumpu. All right, Chumpu. 1
What?
meter equals how many centimeters?
2,000?
We just said that 2 meters is not equal to 2,000 centimeters. All right. How many centimeters in 1 meter? Chumpu?
100.
100. Very good. Okay, so 100. Therefore, 2 meters would be equals to 100 centimeters, not 2,000 centimeters. All right? Okay. Next. 3 baht and 300 satan. Equal or not equal? Panda? Panda? Equal or not equal?
Not.
Think carefully. Equal or not equal?
I think is equal.
Equal. All right, that's correct. Okay, so take note that 1 baht equals 100 satan. Therefore, 3 baht is equal to 300 satan. Okay, so that is your Thai currency. Okay, so you must know that one. Next, this one, 1.5 and 2.5 equal or not? Let me ask. All right, put. Put.
Yes.
Yes, 1.5 and 2.5 equal or not?
No.
No, okay, not equal. Why?
It should be 1.5.
All right, very good. Okay, so 1 and 1/2 is equivalent to 1.5, which is not equal to 2.5. All right, that's good. Okay, so that is what we mean when we talk about equality, relationship of the left side of the equality sign and the right side. Okay, now what about okay, the equality of quantities can also be shown in that example. If A is equals to B, then B is equal to A. Okay, please take note of this one. Okay, so take note of this important point here. If A equals B, then B equals A. Second, if A equals B and B equals C, then A is also equals to C. All right, so what does this mean? Take note, A equals B, and here B equals A. They are just interchanged with each other. Nothing changed, right? Nothing changed, only the place that has been changed. All right, so from here, you have A equals B. But here, the next, we have B equals A. Therefore, nothing changed except their places. Okay? So that is why A equals B and then B is also equals to A. The second, A equals to B, but B is equals to C. Since B is equals to C, then therefore A also is equals to C. All right. Can you see? Please do not confuse yourself. You have A is to B and then B is to C. If they are equal, therefore A also is equals to C. Since B is equals to C, then A also is equals to B. Okay. Are you confused with that one or did you understand? Did you get? Kawat? Kawat, are you
Yes.
there? All right. Okay, not confused?
No.
All right, thank you. What about the others? Okay, if you have some question, you may ask. All right, so that we can discuss if you are confused. All right. So how is it illustrated? Okay, so let's take that one into some examples. All right. Here we have this quantity 5m and 3m plus 2m. Okay, so these are two quantities. Okay, take notice. Okay, so this is one quantity 5m and we have also another quantity 3m plus 2m. Okay, so how would that apply? If A equals to B, then B equals to A. Here, if 5 meters equals 3m, if 5m equals 3m plus 2m, then 3m plus 2m equals 5m. Okay, so they are just changing places. If this is A and this is B, so that is why we have here 5m equals 3m plus 2m. then B is also equals to A. All right. So B is equals to A. Therefore, 3M plus 2M is also equals to 5M. They are just changing places from the equality sign. Okay? So that means nothing changed, only their place. Okay? Please take note of that one because that will help us in solving linear equations proper. Okay, at this time, we are still comparing, we are still discussing relationship of equality. Okay, left hand side, equal sign, right hand side. So that when we go to solving linear equation, it will be much easier for you. Okay. So we will take it little by little so that you will not be confused. Okay. Write the quantities in form. If A equals to B, then B equals to A. So how will we write that one? Okay. I will answer also. Oh, what is that, Akira? What is that you have just written in the chat box? Okay. Please do not use the chat box. You can unmute and ask me, okay? So in this case, 4 cm is A and 40 mm is B. So if we write that one following this one, so therefore, if 4 cm equals 40 mm, then 40 mm equals 4 cm. All right? So that is just basic to write in the equality of numbers. Okay. All right. Second example. P square equals P times P. Right. So if we write that one, A equals B, then B equals A. Therefore, it will be if P square equals P times P, then P times P equals P square. A equals B, then B equals A. Okay, so I just hope that you understood clearly the relationship of two equal quantities. So any question about that one? Next meeting, we will go formally with the equations proper. Any question regarding relationship of equality? Questions so far? So that means, do you understand all? Yes or no? Okay, let me see your hands if you understood. Do you understand? Pai, Kawat, King. All right, Kim, Im. Do you understand? All right, that's good, Kawat. What about Chumpu, Panda, Anda? The others, Put, Chuik, Bacon. All right? Okay, so let's try and go to your workbook. All right? Please take out your workbook now and open to page 88. Again, take out your workbook now and open to page 88. Now, okay. On top of page 88, write your, okay. at the top, write your name. Okay. Again, open to page 88. All right. So write your name, for example, JJ. Okay. JJ. Number 19. Okay. Grade 7/1. Okay, so please write at the top or on the top of page 88. And then the date of today, Tuesday, 16 November 2021. All right. So again, please write that one at the top of your workbook on page 88. Okay. In the group, in the line group, there is that Matayum 1/1. Okay. Now, I will create an album in there, and our task, our activity, you should take a photo of that activity and then add to the album. Okay, I will create math album, and then there you upload or you post your answer in our task. Okay, so I will create an album in there in group Matayum 1/1. Okay, so I will create later. So that there you post your answer. Okay.
Teacher, I don't have your line group.
The group. Okay, the
Yeah.
Matayum 1/1 group with Miss Nam. I will create an album in there. Okay,
Okay.
just add the photo of your answer. Okay, thank you. All right. So open your book to page 88. We still have 2 minutes, and then we will start that one. And if we cannot finish, then you continue. Okay, page 88. Okay, we have also others. We have Guy. Who Chui was on the applicant, Sheena, Akira, Kim, Pai, King, and Im. Okay. Page 88, number 1. Write the symbol equal or not equal to in the given boxes. All right. Number 1, letter A. 12 divided by 2 and 3 plus 2. Equal or not? All right. Chuik, equal or not? 12 divided by 2 and 3 plus 2. Equal or not? Chuik, not
No.
equal. Very good. Okay. 12 divided by 2 is 6, while 3 plus 2 is 5. So they are not equal. Letter B. Okay, letter B. 10 minus 8 and 1 times 2. All right, Kauot, equal or not?
Equal.
Equal, all right. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 1 times 2 is 2. So therefore, they are equal. Okay. Letter C. 0.3 times 0.1 and 0.02 plus 0.001. Okay. We don't have much time. We have less than a few seconds. So please continue that one and finish 1 and 2. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone, for your participation. And do not forget to upload that activity in the math album that I will create. Okay. In the group, in the line group, Matayum 1/1. All right. So thank you so much for your participation for today, and thank you for your attendance.